Hello. Saxon Math 7-6, Lesson 75. Comparing fractions by converting them to decimal form. Let's look at an example so I can explain to you what the heck that means. 75.1. JoJo's family had pizza and they cut it into fifths. There were 3/5 left. Joel's family had the same pizza, but their family cut it into eighths. Let's say this, JoJo ate 3 of the 5 slices, Joel ate 5 of the 8 slices, and you're trying to decide who ate more pizza. So we're comparing those two amounts. Now obviously we can't compare them well because they were cut into different size slices. So what we have to do is make those numbers more comparable, right? One way we could do that is to change the common denominators, change the denominators and make them the same. We could make them each 40, right? We multiply this one by 8 over 8, this one by 5 over 5. That's one way we could do it. We already know how to do it that way, so John doesn't want to bore us with a repeat. Instead, what he's suggesting is we're going to convert the fractions to decimals. Okay? And one of the little hints I'm going to give you is we're going to remember that that line always says divided by. So 5 divided by 8 will give us the decimal form of that fraction. 5 divided by 8. That means 5 goes inside the division bar. Okay. We need a decimal. We need a 0. 8 into 50 rather, goes 6 times for 48. Subtract and get 2. Bring down another 0. It goes in here twice. 16. Subtract and get 40. Or 4 rather. Bring down the other 0. That's where my 40 is coming from. Oh, and that comes out even. When I put a double line there, that means it comes out to 0, and I just don't even bother to write that last step. Okay, so this comes out to 0.625. Fabulous. We could do this, recognizing that 5 easily will fit into that 1/10 position if we double it. 6 over 10. So this becomes, right? We could have done 3 divided by 5. Why would you not, right? Okay, so JoJo's fraction of 3/5 turned out to be 0.6. Joel's fraction of 5/8 turned out to be 0.625. So you ate a very similar amount of pizza, but Joel ate a little bit more. And so the answer is 3/5 is less than 5/8. Easy, right? You could do this. Okay, the second one, which is the last example for this lesson, is, if you can believe it, just a weensy bit easier, because John has already given us one of the numbers in decimal form. So that one's right where we want it, and all we have to do is fix this one into the decimal version, which we can do by saying that line always says divided by. 3 divided by 4, add a decimal point and a 0. 3 into 4, oh, it's almost 8 times, but not quite. So we're going to have to do 7. 28, subtract, get 2, bring down another 0. That's 5. So I came out even. So 3/4 turns into 0.75. We compare it to 0.7. I chopped off the 0 in front. It's fine. We don't need it. So this time it's greater than. Okay? We could have also recognized, 3/4 isn't easy to write in the tenths place, but we can easily adjust it into the hundredths place. We just multiply it by what? 25, right? So the top would be, it would be 75 100ths, and we know to write that as 0.75. So mentally, my brain does this faster than my hand can do this. You can do it either way when that denominator fits easily into one of our decimal place fractions. Okay, that's all I've got for lesson 75, you guys. Thank you for watching.